Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Google form automatically record email address. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a Google form and I'm going to automatically record email address with this Google form. If we want to do that, we can go to the settings and go to the responses. Click on this little arrow and then you can click on collect email addresses. You can choose verified, or you can also click on this responder input. But if you want to automatically record the email address, you can click on verified. Okay, and then once you're done, you just need to continue making your Google form, and you can click on send and share this Google form or share this Google form to your friends through email. I guess then that's how we can automatically record emails in Google form. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.